Good morning, Matthew. For today's IEP goal number 1, we're going to be working on listen to a sentence describing an action verb and change the sentence to state verbs past tense at a rate of 70% accuracy. Going to be your goal number 1. For your assignment will look like this. It's verbs, and we're going to switch the words watch, fix, see, purchase, and go. So today I will watch television. Yesterday I blank television. What do we normally do to past tense verbs? We add an ed at the end of each word. For goal number 1. For goal number 2, Reynaldo will underline the pieces of text that gave clues to the inferences. So, same as last week, we are working on inference. This is your worksheet number 3. Read the small paragraph and then answer question 1. Answer question 1 and highlight clues that are giving you the inference. For this one, we have 4 short stories, 4 short paragraphs. So you can practice with 2 and test on 2. And send me a picture once you're done. So this is IEP goal number 1 and IEP goal 2.